here for an unboxing from Underground Reptiles. Sorry if you hear the fan. It's in Georgia. Yesterday we had sweaters. Today we have tank tops and fans. Very bipolar weather here in Georgia. So let's get this guy out. This is a Nile monitor that I ordered from Underground Reptiles. I've heard amazing things about them, so I'm so excited to get to order from them for the first time. So okay. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm sorry. I was checking the oh my God. I'm sorry. I'm so excited. Oh my God. He's so cute. Oh my God. I'm sorry. This is just amazing to me. Let me get a close-up of it. There he is. Oh my goodness. It's gorgeous. And he did make poopies. Okay, so let's get him out of here so it's not dirty. Okay, thank you, Underground Reptiles. He is totally healthy, totally not so happy from the travel, but he is very healthy, and I will be doing handling videos in about 2 weeks once he's got used to his enclosure and his new environment, and I will kind of do some handling videos and some care tips. I have previously had a Nile monitor, so don't say, you know they get big, they eat a lot, or I already know. So I know they require an extremely large cage, and his adult cage is actually already finished. So as soon as he gets big enough for his adult cage, I'll move him over and I will do a video through his new enclosure. So thank you guys. Bye.